Ethereum 2.0 is an upgraded Ethereum, and everybody knows about it. But everyone is curious to know when this upgrade is going to be released, so they could take advantage of its more efficient and enhanced resources. Hey everyone, I'm Shamli and I welcome you all to this new video of Simplilearn on Ethereum 2.0. In this video, we will explore Ethereum 2.0 and will go through some of the fascinating concepts and components revolving around it. First, we will have a quick introduction of what is Ethereum network. Then, we will look into what Ethereum 2.0 is. Then, we will understand what led to the origin of Ethereum 2.0. Then, we will understand the changes in Ethereum 2.0. Then, we will look into the current status of Ethereum 2.0 research. And at last, what future we expect for Ethereum 2.0. So without doing much ado, let's get started with the video. So what is the Ethereum network? Ethereum is defined as a blockchain-based computing platform that enables its developers to build and deploy decentralized applications. Ether is the cryptocurrency for Ethereum, used to build decentralized applications, smart contracts, and make standard peer-to-peer payments. It tracks and facilitates all the transactions and makes sure they are cryptographically secure in the network. Ether basically acts as a fuel for the Ethereum network. So what is Ethereum 2.0? Ethereum 2.0 is a set of interrelated upgrades that will make the Ethereum network more secure, scalable, and sustainable. Multiple teams from across the Ethereum ecosystem have come together to work on these upgrades in Ethereum 2.0. Then, what led to the origin of Ethereum 2.0? With growing popularity, Ether and the Ethereum network has gotten more blocked by transactions. Currently, it is capable of handling 15 to 45 transactions per second, which is comparatively impressive, but it is not enough to handle all of Ethereum's users worldwide. Also, the high demand is affecting the driving up of transaction fees. Nodes power the Ethereum blockchain network, but currently its nodes are experiencing too much volume. Although the programmers working on the upgrade have claimed that making its nodes bigger wouldn't be practical. Ethereum 2.0 intends to make the network more scalable to handle all of the activities on the Ethereum network. That makes us wonder, what are the changes in Ethereum 2.0? The two significant changes that will come with the upgrade are adopting proof of stake and sharding. Adopting proof of stake, Ethereum blockchain implementations suffer from performance issues because they rely on a processing power intensive process known as proof of work to record and validate their transactions. The problem with proof of work's design is that it's very inefficient. Ethereum 2.0 will solve these issues by transitioning its blockchain to a more efficient proof of stake system. It will decrease the complexities faced by the network, leading to massive throughput gains for the whole network. Sharding is a process that intends to enhance Ethereum's efficiency and ability to scale. In the current version of Ethereum blockchain, all data that is added to the chain undergoes verification by all participating nodes. That means that the speed of its slowest participant limits the processing speed of the entire network. Sharding will increase the efficiency of the network resources by breaking data verification tasks among its set of nodes. And each of them will be responsible for validating and verifying just the data allotted to them. This will increase the network's overall capacity and make it much faster and efficient than its outdated version. So what is the current status of Ethereum 2.0 research? While Ethereum 2.0 has been in research and development since 2014, it has actually been making some progress. The Beacon chain went live in December 2020, introducing the staking concept, but still there is no official claim for the completion of this transition. The next phase is mainnet, merging the beacon chain into the current Ethereum network. Mining Ethereum tokens will officially end in this phase, and staking will become the primary way to create new tokens in the Ethereum network. The last part of the transition is expected to unfold in multiple phases, like adding the shard chains to give the Ethereum blockchain network more capacity and efficiency to handle all of the demand and increase transactions per second. Although it has been a long road and there is still a good deal of uncertainty around the timing, the Ethereum developers do seem to be motivated and on their way to completing the whole transition. So, what is the future of Ethereum 2.0? If executed properly, this transition to Ethereum 2.0 could be a total game changer. It will create a modified network that could potentially process 1 lakh transactions per second, and a much more sustainable network without the energy-intensive mining process. And it will introduce smart contracts worldwide, increasing the Ethereum's network utility. Furthermore, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin once said that the issuance of new token should be highly reduced under Ethereum 2.0, which could increase its demand. Given all these factors, Ethereum 2.0 seems to hold a bright future for Ethereum blockchain network. So this is all about Ethereum 2.0. We have almost reached the end of this video. If I missed anything important, do let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video on Ethereum 2.0 and learned something new from it. If you like this video, then please do hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates and videos from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.